Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from. And I suppose update's not really the most accurate word. Confirmation would be more of an accurate term, as we have a couple very big points of confirmation after today's price movement. And the first bit of confirmation comes via this green line right here. Now, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Monday. But even if you didn't, I talked about on Monday that $10 mark being an important level of support. And to give credit where credit's due, that's a level that you would want to see act as support. And right there, you can see it did a beautiful job of acting as support. Not only did it act as support, it actually acted as a very nice bounce point, and then got a very, very impressive bounce to the upside. So any of those of you that watched this that got in at the $10 mark for a trade, I mean, congratulations. That was an over $1 move all the way up here, which brings about the next point of confirmation, and that was in regards to this area up here at 1135-ish, which I've talked about as a level of resistance. And you can see that the nice bounce off support happened to stop on a couple different occasions right up there at that level of resistance. So confirmation that yes, indeed, this 1135 mark is a level of resistance. So two cut and dry levels to watch very closely going forward. And none of this is a great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that understand charts, use charts, have taken notice of both these levels. And I make that comment because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what's going on here. So you have a ton of people watching $10 as support. You have a ton of people watching 1135 as resistance. So grab some Sour Patch Kids, grab some popcorn. Let's see what ultimately happens and which way the price breaks. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.